Today I'm going to be showing you the best tips and tricks for the iPhone 13, iPhone 12, and iOS 15. This video is going to be covering all of the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for your iPhone. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video on the best tips and tricks for the iPhone 13, iPhone 12, and iOS 15. A big change you're going to notice on your iPhone right away is inside of the Safari application, and that is where the address bar is now located. Now, as I'm sure any iPhone user knows and remembers, the URL or address bar is normally located on the top of the screen. But now, as you see, it is down at the bottom of our phone screen. Now, this is the first time Apple has changed this in over 15 years. Some people may love it, but if you don't, I'm going to show you how you can actually revert this back to the old standard address bar. But if you like this new setup, just know now whenever you want to type in your URL, it's down on the bottom of your phone screen. Now, if you're not a huge fan of this change, no worries at all. Just go into your settings application, scroll down to the Safari tab, and then just go down to where it says tabs. So the new variation is this one called tab bar, but if you want to revert it back so the address bar is on the top of your screen, just click single tab. Now when we go back to the Safari application, it looks like nothing has changed from the old iPhones, and just like that, the URL or address bar is back on the top of our screen. Now, that is actually not the only change to expect inside the Safari application. The other change I want to show you is the new display of your tabs. So when you click this button, the icon's the same as before, the one in the bottom right corner. It's going to show you all of your different tabs. Before, they used to be laid out in this sort of slideshow way where it's kind of difficult to see which tabs you had open. But I actually like this new display because it easily shows you a nice preview of all of your different running tabs. There's a few different ways to close out of these tabs. The quickest way, if you're just trying to close one or two tabs, is to just take your finger and swipe over to the left of whatever tab you want to close. The other way you can achieve this is just by clicking the X on the top right corner of any tab, and it will instantly close that tab. But if you have a ton of tabs open and you want to close them all at once, just press and hold down on this Done button on the bottom right corner, and then just select Close All Tabs. And it's going to instantly shut down all of them. If you ever close down a tab and you want to go back to it, don't worry at all, because you can just press and hold on this plus icon on the bottom left corner, and it's going to show you all of your recently closed tabs. Now you can select any of these, and it will teleport you right back to where you left off on that URL. If you consistently find yourself forgetting to close your tabs, or maybe you just don't like doing it, go back into the Safari's tab on your settings application, and I'm going to show you a quick way to set up your phone so it will automatically and routinely close out tabs that you're not using. So just scroll down on the Safari tab in your settings application, and then click on this tab that says Close Tabs. Now, I have it set to manually, but if you want to do this automatically, you can have it close tabs after just 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Choose the one that's right for you, and then you can just close out of this settings tab, and it's going to keep that setting preserved. So first things first, and that is getting iOS 15 updated and onto your phone. So to do so, just open up your settings application, go to General, and then click Software Update. Now, mine is already up to date, but for you, if you haven't already uploaded iOS 15, there's going to be an option to start that update. Now, just make sure you have at least 50% battery or that you're connected to a power source, or else it won't be able to complete the software update. So get your phone plugged into power and go start that software update, because you are going to love what's inside iOS 15. All iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 models are equipped with the incredible MagSafe technology, meaning we can finally get rid of all of these messy cords, which makes me so excited to show you the incredible 2-in-1 lightning charging stand by Gear. With MagSafe capability and made with only the best materials, including metal and tempered glass, this is the last charging accessory you will ever need. This charging stand is equipped with dual coil technology, which allows you to magnetically attach and charge your phone both vertically and horizontally for the best experience possible. Send messages or watch your favorite videos, all while having your phone being rapidly charged in the background. When designing this product, Gear made sure to put non-slip silicone on the bottom of the stand so you never need to worry about it sliding around. The MagSafe technology used in this product is also incredibly strong, so you never need to worry about your phone falling off the stand or having to fidget around to get it in the right position. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what makes this product a 2-in-1 lightning charging stand. Well, not only can you wirelessly charge your iPhone, but simultaneously, you can also wirelessly charge your AirPods on the back of this stand. Enjoy a faster charging experience with a 2-in-1 lightning charging stand by Elgear. You can get it today at an incredibly discounted rate by going to elgear.com. The link's on the screen and down in the description. This is a perfect stand to have on your nightstand or on your desk or anywhere else where you want to enjoy a faster charging experience while also being able to mount your phone magnetically and having your AirPods charge simultaneously right on the back of the stand. Again, get it today by going to elgear.com. The link's on the screen and in the description. Next time you're looking for some background or white noise to play, you no longer need to go to one of those 4 or 5 hour long YouTube videos, because now we can access background sounds right from our iPhone's control center. If you open up the hearing icon on the control center, you have the ability to turn on these different background sounds. So to do this, you can choose whichever background sound you want by selecting this background sounds button right here. And you have the option between balanced noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean, rain, and stream. And to give you an idea of what they sound like, I will show you right now. So with that playing, you can leave your control center and you'll be able to just leave this background noise playing right out of your iPhone. Whenever you're ready to shut that off, just click on this icon again, and then click this button down on the bottom that says background sounds off. Whenever you want to go back and turn those back on, you can just click this button on the bottom of the screen, or open up background sounds by clicking that button there, where you can adjust the volume and then change the different sound that you want to listen to. This is a great replacement or a great way to access white noise or different background sounds right from your iPhone. Now, if you don't have this hearing icon showing up in your control center, no worries. We actually need to add that one in manually from the settings application. So to do this, just open up the settings app, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says control center. Now, I'll remove it from mine just to show you the process really quickly. So you just scroll down to where it says more controls, and then you want to find the one called hearing. Just click that plus icon. You can choose where you want it to be displayed on your control center just by holding down these 3 lines, and then placing it wherever you like. Now you can leave the settings application, go back to your control center, and now you'll be able to find that hearings tab where you can access these different background sounds. This next feature is one that I personally think Apple should have had for a while now, but anyways, I'm not an engineer and I'm glad we have it now. And that is the ability to use Siri while offline. So to show you this, I'm going to put my phone into airplane mode. Now, of course, certain Siri functions still won't be available in offline mode, like having Siri look up things on the web, but things like setting an alarm, a timer, stopping notifications, changing a music track, now you can use Siri for all of that even when you're offline. So I'll just show you a quick example. Hey Siri, wake me up in 15 minutes.
I turned on your 4:04 p.m. alarm.
And you see, Siri was able to set up one of those automations even though I'm in airplane mode and completely offline with no Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Although this next feature is simple, it is actually one of my favorite new iPhone features that is going to save us a ton of time using the Notes application, and that is the new ability to use hashtags. So anytime you're writing out a note, you can add a hashtag. Say you want to call it grocery list. So write that hashtag and you'll see it gets highlighted. So it's now going to save that hashtag. You write out your grocery list, and now you can scroll down to the bottom of your Notes application, and it's going to show all of the different tags that you've used inside the Notes app. So if you want to go back to that note, just click that hashtag grocery list, and it's going to take you to everywhere that hashtag shows up inside your Notes app. Now you can easily just click on the exact note that you're looking for, and you'll be taken right inside. Now, you can scroll through and check out all the different hashtags that you have. Most of these are blank for me, but if you click on them, it's going to teleport you to where all of those notes would be underneath those different tags that you use. And again, whenever you're writing out a note, just quickly use that pound symbol and write any tag that you want. It's also important to note that you can save multiple notes under the same hashtag, and then it will just take you to that tab and show you all of the different notes that you have using that specific hashtag. If you want to find a collection of all notes that have any of your hashtags listed in them, just click on this All Tags button, and then it will take you to this folder that includes all of your notes that have a hashtag included in them. If there's a lot of notes here, you can just use this search bar and then search for whatever note that you're looking for. Now, if you're anything like me and find yourself getting easily distracted by your phone during the day, you're gonna love this brand new feature I'm about to show you, and that is called Focus Mode. So with Focus Mode, you can filter notifications, signal to friends that you're not available at a certain moment, and hide any distractions without missing what's important to you. So let me show you the different ways that you can utilize this brand new Focus Mode. There's a few preset modes on Focus Mode, such as Do Not Disturb, and then there's Sleep Mode, and I'll show you how you can go in and customize these in just a second. But first I'm going to show you how you can get set up your personal Focus Mode. So just click on this Get Started underneath this Personal tab. Now it's going to take you into this application here, and it says don't miss out, allow notifications from important people and apps, and silence the rest across all devices. And then you can also share that you're away. So this lets others know exactly when you're away with a status that says you currently have your notifications silenced. This is great so then people don't get worried if you're not responding to your messages or notifications because they know that you just have your phone turned on silent. So just click this next button, and now you can go in and just check off which contacts you want to allow for this Focus Mode. Now on this page, you can choose certain people to allow notifications to come in from. So maybe you want to set up a work focus mode, so you want to be able to have your colleagues reach you while silencing everybody else. Your most contacted contacts, whoever you message the most, but you can just click this minus button and then just delete all of those contacts that you don't want to be hearing from. Now, when you want to go in and hand select who you want to be able to contact or to be able to contact you while you're in this personal focus mode, just click that add person button. It's going to take you to your contacts application, and then you can select whoever you want notifications from while you're in that focus mode. Now, you can do the same thing from calls, so calls from anybody, or you can shut this off and do only your favorites, all contacts, or you can select specific people to allow phone calls to come in from. So once that's all set, just click allow, and then you can choose which applications you want people to be able to reach you on. So maybe you use WhatsApp a lot for work or Slack. You can go and add those apps into your personal focus mode, and those will be the only apps that you'll receive notifications from while you're in that specific focus mode. Now, another pretty cool feature is you can set time sensitivities for other apps. So you can allow apps not in your allowed list to send notifications marked as time sensitive immediately. So only urgent notifications from other applications are going to come in while you're in that focus mode. So once that's set up, just click allow, and just like that, your focus mode is now ready. Here's just a few more helpful things to know about it. So it's on everywhere. When you turn on a focus mode, it's going to turn on across all of your devices that are running iOS 15. This means when you turn it on in your phone, it's going to instantly turn on that focus mode on your iPad, your iMac, and so on. You can turn focus mode on and off easily from your control center, which I just showed you, but just by sliding down to your control center, you can just easily toggle in and out of that focus mode. And then lastly, you can choose your home screen to limit distractions when a focus is on by hiding home screen pages while that mode is enabled. So just click done, and just like that, you've now set up your focus mode. Now there's more ways we can customize this. The first one is that home screen. So again, you can hide notification badges just by toggling that on. So this will hide notification badges even when you're unlocked on your phone and you're on your home screen. And then you can choose custom pages to be disabled. So if you don't want these pages to show up, just check them off, click done, and none of these pages are going to show up on my homepage when that mode is toggled on. So get that all set up, and now we can do the same for our lock screen. You can dim the lock screen appearance, or you can silence notifications again for your lock screen. Now, one feature I really love about these focus modes is the ability to turn it on automatically. So say you work 9 to 5 each day. Click turn on automatically, and then we can just set up a quick automation. So let's do 9 to 5, and then maybe you don't work on weekends, so you just want it on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Click done, and just like that, every weekday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., your work personal focus mode is going to be turned on. You can always go back and re-customize any of these settings, so it's always personalized to you. So now that it's all set up, you can just leave that tab, go back, and know it's automatically going to turn on all weekdays, but maybe you want to get some work done on a weekend and want to manually turn it on. Just swipe down to your control center, press and hold on that focus button, and then just click that personal focus mode that we just set up. You can always add new focuses, set up as many different focus modes as you want, like some for driving, fitness, gaming, mindfulness. The list goes on, or you can set up a custom one, and they have all these different cool icons to choose from. You know exactly which icon refers to which mode. One of the coolest features that your phone is now capable of achieving is called live text. And what live text does is it's able to pick up text in any of your photos. Now there's two different ways to utilize this brand new feature. The first way to utilize live text is actually by taking any of your old photos, even photos that were taken before you downloaded the new operating system. So once you find a photo that has some text in it, all you do is just hold down wherever that text is. So you see it says collectibles and gifts right here. If we just hold down, it's going to collect that first word, but I wanted to select all three of these words. So just grab this blue slider right here, slide it over, and now it's selected all three words, collectibles and gifts. Now, we have a few options. You can copy that text and then go and paste that maybe into your Notes app or anywhere else, or you can actually look it up. So you can select all of the text, or you can just click look up, and then it's going to look up for that word on Google search. It will show you some Siri suggested websites. You can search the web, manage your dictionaries, or even check out some different locations near you that have those words listed on their website. The other time you can utilize this feature is when you're actively taking a photo. So maybe you want to copy and paste a recipe on a box of maybe your favorite pasta. All you do is hover over the text with your camera and then just tap where that text is. You'll see it's going to kind of highlight it in that box right there. Now you can go in, and once that box is selected, just take that picture, go to the photo, and now easily you can just hold down, copy that text. Now you can actually bring that right into your Notes app and then paste that entire recipe for your records. So once you have the text you want selected, just click copy, and then we can actually bring this to our Notes application and just paste it right in there. Now, all you need to do is click that paste button, and just like that, it has pasted that text right from the photo we just took. For a while now, our iPhones have been making these slideshows from our photos called memories, and they're pretty cool, but I was never a big fan of the music. It was just kind of cheesy stock music, which makes me super excited for this brand new feature that I'm about to show you. And that is how you can actually add any song to these memory slideshows in the photo application. So just go to the Photos application and then click the memory slideshow that you want to customize, open it up. All we're going to do is just click this music icon on the bottom left corner. Now you can go in and click this plus button where that music icon appears at the right bottom of the screen. And what this is going to do is actually open up our music application where you can choose from top suggestions or search for any song from your library or for any song on Apple Music. Once you choose the song that you want, it's going to automatically place that into the slideshow for your enjoyment. Not only can we now customize the music that gets played in these slideshows, but if you click that icon, you can actually add different filters called memory looks. So you scroll through, there's a whole bunch of different options from bright to fade to warm contrast and so on. Choose the one you like, click done, and then it will show you what it's called memory mixes. Slide through, find the one you like, and then all you need to do is just tap on the screen and it's going to save that filter and the song right on to this memory slideshow. Then just click play and you can enjoy the customizations. I hope you enjoyed today's video on the best tips and tricks for iOS 15. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite iOS tip or trick was, and if you found this video valuable, please make sure to give it a like and to subscribe to our channel for more great content coming out soon. If you haven't already, make sure you go to appfindvip.com to get signed up for our free email newsletter, AppFind VIP. This is where we send out the best mobile apps and mobile games. Make sure you check off this third option when signing up for giveaways so you'll automatically be entered into our monthly AppFind VIP giveaways where we give out incredible prizes like Apple gift cards and Google Play Store gift cards to members of our AppFind VIP community. It's completely free to sign up, so go to appfindvip.com, the link's down in the description, and get signed up today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.